All right, NC Floor Guys here today. Today we're going to patch a hole in some reclaimed heart pine. Pretty quick and easy, and this patch is ideal because we're going to use Titebond wood glue and sawdust from the actual wood itself. And that's going to make a long lasting patch that will never come out. Actually, when this glue dries, it'll be harder than the wood itself. So first thing we do is we take some sawdust that came from the chop saw. So during the installation process, when you're chopping your wood, save the sawdust from the chop saw because it's the perfect size. Not too fine, not too big. All right, let's get going. This is how you mix it up. First thing you do is get a piece of cardboard or a piece of wood or anything you want. You just pour a mid-sized dollop wood glue on there. And then you want to sprinkle your sawdust on top till that glue is covered. Okay, and then you mix it up. Okay, that's kind of the consistency you want. You want it to be thick but not runny. Okay, then you just spread it into your hole, remove the excess. All right, and then you're done. Now you just want to take a wet rag and wipe off all that excess and just leave it in the hole. It looks light right now, but in a couple of days it'll turn dark and look like a tiny little knot. Okay. All right. So you just wipe off the excess like that. Be careful not to get it out of the hole. All right, let it dry and you're good to go. That's how you fill a hole. NC Floor Guys out.